How to make money with TikTok ads. Did you know that a single TikTok ad can reach over 1 billion users in a matter of days? Or that the average TikTok user spends nearly an hour on the app daily? These staggering statistics highlight the immense potential of TikTok ads for businesses seeking to increase brand awareness, drive sales, and generate substantial revenue. To effectively leverage TikTok ads for financial gain, it is imperative to understand the platform's unique demographics and preferences. TikTok primarily caters to a younger audience, with a significant portion of its user base belonging to Generation Z. This demographic is known for its short attention spans and preference for visually engaging content. Therefore, creating ads that are concise, visually appealing, and aligned with TikTok's fast-paced culture is crucial for success. One of the most effective strategies for monetizing TikTok ads is to focus on driving traffic to your website or online store. By incorporating a call to action in your ads, such as Shop Now or Visit our website, you can direct interested users to your digital platforms where they can make purchases or learn more about your products or services. To ensure maximum conversion rates, optimize your website or online store for mobile devices and ensure a seamless user experience. Another lucrative approach is to utilize TikTok ads for affiliate marketing. By partnering with relevant brands or businesses, you can promote their products or services in exchange for a commission on each sale. This strategy allows you to monetize your TikTok presence without the need to create or sell your own products. To maximize your earnings, choose affiliate programs that offer competitive commission rates and products that align with your target audience's interests. Additionally, TikTok offers various advertising formats that can be tailored to your specific goals. These include in-feed ads, which appear between organic content, and branded effects, which allow you to create custom filters and stickers that users can apply to their videos. By experimenting with different ad formats and tracking their performance, you can identify the most effective approach for your business. Moreover, it is essential to continuously monitor and analyze your TikTok ad campaigns to optimize your results. Use TikTok's built-in analytics tools to track key metrics such as impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per acquisition. By analyzing this data, you can identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to enhance your campaign's performance. In conclusion, TikTok ads present a significant opportunity for businesses to reach a vast and engaged audience. By understanding the platform's demographics, creating compelling content, and utilizing effective strategies such as driving traffic, affiliate marketing, and optimizing ad formats, you can maximize your earning potential.